Yeah, hi everyone. Welcome to Bascom Tech class on data science. Today we'll be talking about a very important topic, which is Python. Python fundamentals. Now, Python is a very unique application which is used in data science. Apart from data science, also important you can use Python on core programming web development, which is the Django. So today we'll be talking about Python, what has to do with data science, and we're talking about how do we do the installation. This is very. How do we do the installation? The first thing we'll do is talk about how the installation is done. So first, you have to go to the deep download link. Now we go to the Python site, python.org. So the version of Python that we're going to develop at this moment is on Python 3.10.2. So let's go to the site. Let's go to our browser. Yeah. So go to your browser and type python.org. This is the URL. Go to downloads. You see the present version as at this moment, which is what Python 3.10.2. So you click on it. So I downloaded the version that for Windows. So let's hold on, and you can see that the installation is going on. So let's hold on. It takes some time. So after the installation, let's check whether let's go back to our browser and let's see. It's done now. So let's click on it, you open. So next thing you have to do is click on run. Fine. So you click on install now. Yes, and click on yes. Allow the installation to continue. So it takes some time. So let's hold on for some minutes and allow the installation work to continue. Okay, it will soon be through. Yeah, so the installation will just take some few seconds. Then we'll now go to the next page. Yeah, so okay. Yes, so done. It's installing the Python component, so this will take some minutes. Just hold on. So here we can see that the installation is successful. So we have completed the successful installation of Python software, Python 3.10.2. So let's close this. The next thing we'll now need to download the IDE. Yes, and the integrated desktop environment application that will integrate with Python. Let's go to our browser. So we'll be using PyCharm IDE. So go to Google and type PyCharm. PyCharm will download. Click on it. So this is the Python. So this is the IDE that we'll be using for our installation. And there are two basic versions. We have the professional version and we have the community version. So this is the professional version. So let's go back. So it shows our search. We've already got to one. Let's go back to this one. And click on download PyCharm. Let's click on this platform here. So this is the page that we need. So there are two versions. We have the professional version and we have the community version for Python. Now the professional version is the paid for version, whereas the community version is the free version. The professional version has more features and it's also paid for. So for this lecture we'll be making use of the community version. So let's click on the community version. So let's hold on. It will take some seconds for the download. So let's just hold on and allow the download to complete. After downloading the PyCharm, next one let's go to our phone and double click on the software for Python. So next one we do, click on one. Python software will start the installation. So click on next. Okay, so this is the path, this is the default path for installation, so let's leave it and let's click on next. And so we have what Python Computer Edition. You can put this one on the desktop, the icon shortcut for the Python Computer Edition. Let's leave it on default. Almost like you can see the icon for Python desktop. So the installation will continue. It will take some few minutes. So let's hold on and wait for it to finish. So installation will still complete for Python. So this shows the final step for installing the Python. So you can open it. Just hold on a second and confirm for next. So this is the interface for Python. Let's hold on. So this is the Python interface. You can click on the new project. So you can do the new project name. You can leave it as anonymous or you can just leave it as the Python project. This is the default. So this is the path. Check. Click on create. This is the interface for our Python ID. This is the ID for Python. We want to click separate number join our path and data science. So the next thing we now talk about how to use Python stuff as an ID data science. Thank you very much, everybody. Have a nice day.